Coco T has passed, and I find myself reflecting on the years I knew him. He was a reggae singer known all over the world, but to me, he was more than just a musician. He was my fisherman. When I first heard the news of his passing yesterday, I held back from repeating it. This wasn't the first time rumors of his death had circulated, only to be proven false. However, when his wife, whom we affectionately call Reds, confirmed it, I knew it was real. Now, I can say it, Coco T has truly left us. Coco T was from Rocky Point, a well-known fishing village in Clarendon. After finding success in music, he moved to the Lioneltown Housing Scheme and later to Newtown Housing Scheme Phase 2 in Hayes. One thing about Coco T, no matter how successful he became, he always lived among the locals. He never carried himself as the superstar that he was. He didn't need bodyguards. He went anywhere and everywhere, always humble and approachable. Rocky Point people loved the fishing business, and Coco T was no different. To this day, I'm not sure if the business was officially his or if he was just the face of it, but I regularly bought fish, conch, and lobster from him, straight from the sea to my table. I was never starstruck because most of the time I forgot just how famous he was. He never acted like a celebrity. He was just Coco T. Now that he has passed, I see tributes pouring in from Africa and all over the world. It made me pause and think, Coco T was really that famous. But for those of us who knew him personally, he was just one of us. Who remembers the days of Ram Jam and another event called Jam Jam? Those were the days of great reggae events featuring Coco T alongside artists like Buju Banton, Beanie Man, and Everton Blender, Dennis Brown, among others. We would start preparing for the event months in advance. Those are just memories now. If you want to learn more about Coco T's music and legacy, check his Wikipedia page. But this tribute isn't about his career. It's about the man I knew personally. Rest in Zion, Coco T. My deepest condolences to his wife, Reds, and his daughters. I don't know if he had any sons, but I do know this loss must be especially hard on his wife. They were together from a young age, and I pray that the Most High gives her the strength to carry on.